Is that a video?
It's rolling, yeah.
Oh, that's really cool, Val.
I spent decades finding my voice.
I wanted your life for a period of time.
It's a story about my life.
One of the things about Jeremy is that he's so rock and roll.
He didn't just get the funding for some of the most daring films of the last 40 years. They, in part, came from his imagination.
You have to have people who shake it up and keep it fresh.
Il leone disse, io quel flauto di panna.
It was very new at the time, and still today.
He opens up the visuals.
Apparently official, President Kennedy died some 38 minutes ago.
Conspiracy theories are now conspiracy facts. We will go back and piece together that shed more light on what really happened here that day.